Caterpillar offers various upgrade kits for every machine, many of which you can install yourself. These kits can increase versatility as you move from job to job and season to season and help modernize older equipment. Let's look at how to install a fire extinguisher kit. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Today, we're working on a CAT 299D3 compact track loader. Installation should be similar on your equipment, but contact your CAT dealer for specific instructions. First, move your machine to a dry, level surface. Lower implements to the ground, lock out the hydraulics, and turn off your equipment. Start by assembling the mounting bracket, including the strap that holds the fire extinguisher in place. If your cap does not already have the safety films included in your kit, install those. Drill the holes for the plate if they are not pre-drilled on your equipment. Place the plate and push a screw through each hole. Inside the cab, apply thread compound and install the nut and washer on the second screw from the top. Then, place the bracket and install the remaining nuts and washers. Finally, trim the cover so that it clears the newly installed bracket. For maintenance parts and upgrade kits, you can order everything you need at parts.cat.com. Enter your machine's serial number to order the parts specific to your equipment. For more information and support, contact your CAT dealer, and always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.